What is up, guys? My name is Brie, and in today's video, I'm showing you how you can buy cryptocurrencies in Canada using Wealthsimple Crypto. If you're a Canadian already using Wealthsimple's Trade app to buy and sell stocks and ETFs, then using Wealthsimple Crypto is the simplest and easiest way to add cryptocurrency to your portfolio. This is a quick tutorial coming at you guys today, so let me just grab my phone and we can dive right into it. After you go to the App Store and download the Wealthsimple Trade app, you want to open it up. It's this little green icon, and this brings you into your Wealthsimple Trade account, but we want to go over and open a crypto account as well. So I'm going to click the little person icon here. There'll be an option here if you haven't signed up yet for crypto, but since I've already done that, it's under accounts. And you can see I have Wealthsimple Crypto and I've already opened an account. But since you haven't done this yet, you want to go click that crypto selection and go through the process, follow the prompts to set up and open your crypto trading account inside the app. Once you've done that, from the main screen of the app, you can go up here and click on View Accounts, and you can toggle between your regular trading accounts, your TFSA, your RSP, and your crypto account. So I'm gonna click on over to the crypto, and I haven't done anything yet here. I haven't invested yet with this app, but we're gonna do that right now. So the first step, obviously, is we need to add funds to our account so we can start purchasing our first cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna go click here and add funds. And if you haven't done this before, it'll walk you through the steps of connecting your bank account to the app so you can transfer over your money. If you've already been using the Wealthsimple Trade app before, this is really easy. It should already be set up. And you can either transfer money over from your trade account balance or add in more from your bank account. So let's just select our Wealthsimple Crypto account. Go to continue. You can see here Wealthsimple allows you to add instant funds up to $250 at once. And you can transfer in more than $250 at once, but just mind that it will take 3 to 5 business days for larger transactions to show up in your trading account. I'm gonna transfer in $50 and click continue, select which bank account I want to transfer from and continue. And it literally took 10 seconds for my money to be transferred over. Now I have something to play with. Now I can go and buy my first cryptocurrency. Okay. Let's buy some crypto. So what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and it'll show you the available cryptocurrencies on Wealthsimple. Now, up until very recently, Wealthsimple only allowed you to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they've recently added a bunch of new options. So you can take a scroll through here and see what you want to invest in. I'm going to keep it simple and invest my money into Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on the Bitcoin option, and you can play around with this graph and see the performance of any of these cryptocurrencies over time. So right now it's set to 24 hours. If I want to see how it's done over the past week, you can see Bitcoin has gone down a lot over the last week. So this is a great time to invest over a month, 3 months, a year, 5 years. But once you know you are going to invest, all you got to do is go down here and click buy, and they hit you with the warning letting you know that buying cryptocurrencies is risky. It is a risky investment, so don't put your life savings into this. There's much safer ways to do that. I highly recommend using Wealthsimple Trade to invest in ETFs that track the market. But of course, investing a bit in cryptocurrency is a great way to diversify and make trading a little more fun. So I'm gonna click I understand, wait for this to load. And next they're gonna hit you with an explanation for why the prices vary on this app. So it says you may notice that the buy and sell prices within our app are different from each other. And that's because there's a gap between available buy and sell prices called the spread. Now, this is how apps like Wealthsimple and most other exchanges, how they make their money. They don't charge any fees for you to trade any coins, but they charge you a little bit more than the market price for Bitcoin when you buy and give you back a little bit less than the market price when you sell. So this is usually a very low percentage, but it's something to keep in mind when using platforms like this to invest in your cryptocurrencies. So they just explain it a little bit more here, show you a graph of what that looks like. I'm gonna accept, and now I choose how much Bitcoin I want to buy. So I can toggle back and forth between if I want to choose how much Canadian dollars I want to invest or how many Bitcoin I want to buy. Obviously, this is going to be a very fractional amount because Bitcoin is sitting at around $38,000 right now. So I'm going to stick to investing my full $50 Canadian. Now, this is a little bit different than stock trading if you've done that with Wealthsimple Trade, in which with stock trading, you have to buy full shares of whatever you're buying. So if I want to buy a share of VGRO and it's sitting at $32.50, I can only buy integer numbers of that stock. I can't buy half a stock or 10% of a stock. But with cryptocurrency, it's not like that. You can buy whatever you need to. So I can spend my full $50, and that right now is equal to 0.001299 Bitcoin. Wealthsimple Trade has actually added fractional shares just recently, like within the last week or so. I haven't dived into that just yet, but apparently now it is possible to buy fractional shares and not just the full ones. But I'll get back to you on that because I have not checked that out just yet. But back to this, I'm gonna spend my full $50, so let's continue. I'm gonna confirm my order and wait for Wealthsimple to send. And order complete, purchase of $50 worth of Bitcoin. So I now own 0.001301 Bitcoin. And you notice that is slightly different than that value that was put there. Okay, the graph is not loading right now, but this should show your graph and it'll show me what's in my portfolio. I have Bitcoin and I can click on that and see how much I'm holding. So you can see all sorts of things about your investment here, how much I own, the total value of it right now, the average price that I bought, and the percentage of my portfolio that this coin makes up. And it also shows me the total return right now. I'm down 79 cents already, but just some useful information for you if you want to keep track of your investments. Now to sell, it's just as simple. I am in here inside my Bitcoin holdings, so I'm gonna go and sell. We get the same little notifications. You can hide those so they don't show you over and over again. And then same goes here. I can either choose the amount of Bitcoin I want to sell or toggle that and choose how many Canadian dollars worth of it I want to sell. So if I wanted to sell all of it, I would hit the max. And right now that's worth $48.35. And I would go continue and follow the prompts to sell. I don't actually want to sell this right now, so I'm not going to do it, but that is basically it. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. Anybody can do this, it's perfect for beginners. So that is how you buy and sell crypto using Wealthsimple Crypto, but there are a few limitations I do want you to be aware of before you decide whether you're going to use this platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And the biggest thing is that with Wealthsimple Crypto, this is not the same as buying crypto on a dedicated crypto exchange, in that when you buy through Wealthsimple, they buy the cryptocurrency and hold it in trust for you. You don't actually hold your own crypto. You don't have direct access to the crypto that you buy. But how it works is that basically when you tell Wealthsimple to invest your money, they buy and hold that Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you chose. And when you choose to sell it, they sell it and you get your Canadian dollars back into your account. But the limitation with this is that you don't hold it, so you can't move that around. So say you wanted to withdraw your cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin, and store it in a hardware wallet like this one here. This is the Ledger Nano S, and using hardware wallets is one of the safest ways to store your cryptocurrency because it's not connected to the internet, it can't be hacked, and nobody can go running off with your investment. But when you buy crypto through Wealthsimple Trade, you cannot do that. You also cannot take those coins and transfer them to another exchange. Say you wanted to transfer your Bitcoin and buy a more exotic coin that's not offered by Wealthsimple Trade. If you wanted to go and transfer it over to Binance and trade and buy from there, you can't do that. It's stuck in Wealthsimple. All you can do with your cryptocurrency investments is buy or sell through Wealthsimple. You can't take them and move them anywhere else. And though Wealthsimple has built up a really great brand, they are very trustworthy in the eyes of many Canadians, this does break one of the cardinal crypto rules, which is not your keys, not your coins. So you don't have access, you don't have the keys to access your cryptocurrency. They're held for you by Wealthsimple. So that does open you up to some risk. Say Wealthsimple gets hacked, somebody steals all their cryptocurrency holdings. There's nothing you can do about that. There's nothing you can do to get that money back. So it's really up to you. It's up to you to decide whether you trust Wealthsimple. Obviously, they have a great trading platform with their regular investing options. So personally, I would have no qualms about trusting them, but again, it just really depends on what your tolerance for risk is. You're also obviously weighing that on how difficult this is, and Wealthsimple Trade makes this one of the easiest places to just get your money out there, get some crypto in your portfolio, especially if you're already using the trade apps for your regular investments. As I mentioned before, when that little warning came up before we bought Bitcoin, it tells you about the spread. And with Wealthsimple Trade, this is generally between 1.5% and 2%. So that's the difference you're going to be losing out on when you trade through this platform. Now, this applies to a lot of platforms. I use a couple of other ones, which I'll bring up in a minute, and they also have spread as well, but it is something to keep in mind when you are investing. And the final limitation of Wealthsimple Crypto is that there is not a huge selection of coins for you to buy on it. Now, they've obviously recently jacked that way up. There used to only be 2 options, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and now there's, I don't know, looks like 10 or 20 different options, and they'll probably be adding to that in the future as well. But there are hundreds of cryptocurrencies out there, and most of them are not available through Wealthsimple Crypto. So if you're looking for more exotic trading options, you're gonna want to use a different app. But is Wealthsimple Crypto a good platform to be trading on in the first place? Well, my opinion is this. Wealthsimple Crypto is a good option if you're a beginner, if you're new at this, and you just want to try it out and get a bit of crypto exposure in your portfolio, and you don't plan on doing anything more than simply buying and selling it here and there. But I also think there are better options for most people if you want to do more than just the very basic. But if you want to have more control over your crypto investments, if you want to be able to store it on a hardware wallet, you want to be able to move it to another exchange, or you simply want to abide by the rules of not your keys, not your coins, and have access to your own crypto keys, then a different crypto exchange would be a better option for you. And for Canadians, 2 of the top crypto trading apps are Newton and ShakePay. I use both of these. I trade a little bit on each one. I haven't quite decided which one is my favorite, but both of these apps will let you buy your crypto and take them off the exchange, move them around, save them on a hardware wallet, and all of that stuff. So it's a much better way to trade crypto if you want to have that added control. ShakePay is the simpler of the 2. It's an easy to use interface, but they only offer Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you want to keep things simple but still have that control over your crypto, if you're only going to be buying Bitcoin or an Ethereum, then ShakePay is a great option. They also have a neat little feature that every single day you log into the app, you can give your phone a shake and you earn free Satoshis or sats for doing so. Now, this is the smallest denomination of a Bitcoin. It's not a lot of money. You're not gonna get rich doing this, but it's a fun little feature to keep you engaged and keeping up with your investing. The Newton Crypto app has a wider selection of coins, and at the time that I'm filming this video, they have over 20 coins available. Every few weeks, I'm seeing them adding more, so I'm sure that's just gonna keep going up as time goes on. But whether you wanna try out ShakePay, you wanna try out Newton, or stick with Wealthsimple Trade, I've got a few incentives for you. So if you decided to go ahead and use Wealthsimple Crypto, sign up for the Wealthsimple Trade app at the link in the description below, and you'll get 2 free stocks valued at up to $4,500 when you sign up and fund your account. If you'd rather give ShakePay a spin, you can sign up again at the link in the description below and get $10 added to your trading account when you fund your account with your first $100. And if you want to sign up with Newton, sign up again, link in the description below, and you'll get $25 added to your account when you fund it with your first $100. Now, you can pick which one you want, or be like me, download them all, try them all out, get that little incentive bonus, get that extra cash added into your account, and play around with them, see which ones you like, see which ones you want to stick with over the long term. But that's basically it. That's how you do it. So let me know, which platform are you gonna go with? Are you gonna stick with Wealthsimple Crypto, or are you gonna give Newton or ShakePay a try? I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. So drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking. But thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking it out to the end. And if you like this video, please give me that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who could also make use of these videos. I truly appreciate all of your support, and every little bit of support helps me create new content for you guys. But otherwise, if you're ready to make more money, start a business, grow your wealth, then check out one of these videos next. And I'll see you guys next time.